Hello readers, today I am Utkarsh Kothari and I am going to teach you the basics of stock markets. These essentials will surely help you in the future if you are looking to make a career in the markets. So without further ado, let's get started. So what are the stock markets? We all have everyday markets around our buildings and apartments. There are buyers and sellers. So they sell or buy essential groceries. Similarly, in the stock markets, we have traders who trade shares and stocks. By the way, what is a share? We have a company. This is a dummy company which has 9 different parts. Each one of them is a share. Okay, so I will elaborate this in the future in this video. So stay tuned till the end. Okay, why companies sell their shares? So let me tell you a story which will elaborate this. I and my team have created a company known as ABC Limited. Okay, we need to start with a sum of 10 lakh rupees. We have created 4 lakh rupees earlier, but we need a sum of 6 lakh rupees. So I went to my father, and fortunately, he wasn't a DIY person. So he gave me 6 lakh rupees. Cool. Now we have 10 lakh rupees and we have created our first factory. Everybody was happy except me. So why I wasn't happy with the first factory? I have created the first factory, but we also need some more money which would leverage the inventory. So what is inventory? Inventory is the raw materials used for making products for a company. Money is also needed for machinery, the electricity bills, salary to our employees, water bills, and the meals in the canteens. So, from where will we get this money? My friend, this is where the stock market comes in. Okay, so I was telling you that I would elaborate this illustration in the future, and that future is now present. Okay, so this company has 9 different parts. Each of them is a share. Okay, so there is a myth that every company has one owner. No, every company has millions and millions of owners. The main owner is the chairman. And who is the chairman? The chairman is the one who holds the most number of shares among the investors of those companies. Okay, so if we have a company ABC Limited and that has 100 shares, one investor comes and buys one share for himself. Like that, 49 more investors come and buy one share for themselves. So 50 shares gone, more 50 left. And then one crazy person comes and buys 50 shares at one time. So among all the investors, he holds the most amount of shares. Now he is the chairman of my company. Okay, so we have got till the basics. Now we have to get going. So, how to invest in the stock markets? I have listed some companies: Upstocks, Zerodha, Sharekhan, Angel Broking, and Money Control. Okay, so what is common in all of those? They don't have a tagline. No. That is not even related with our content. So, they are brokers who are directly linked to the stock exchanges of India. Okay, so these are the top brokers or in India, and the fifth one, which is the Money Control, it is a tool used for tracking. It does not do broking, but it is used for tracking, just for the sake of putting a logo. Sorry. So I have so you will go to the software Upstocks. Suppose I say you Upstocks, you go to the website, you register for it, you open a demat account. Like in a bank, we open a bank account to store our money or FDs. So here we open a demat account to store our investments. Okay, so we have created a demat account. Okay, so we will invest in it, and now this will as this is directly linked to the stock exchanges, so they will bring the number of shares, the desired number of shares for us, and they would also charge a convenience fee because they are the only medium between us and the stock exchanges. Cool. So Okay, we see in this picture. Okay, so what is the problem with this picture? You are seeing that people are struggling. So why are they struggling? This is an image of people in the stock exchange who are buying from the stock exchange and in the olden days. Okay, so why do they do something like this? This is not like a reception where people would stand calmly and ask people questions or talk and do trash talks or something. This is a place where people fight for shares and stocks. People shout for a share. Suppose I want a share of Infosys. So, like the person here, he's showing five fingers. Means he is looking for five shares of his desired company. So either he's trying to sell or either he's trying to buy. So they shout, and whenever they get their match, the broker, a person, takes them in a corner and then the deal is done. This is how the things happened in the olden days. So how did people invest in the olden days? Okay, so I have explained you this. Now you are completed with the stock market basics. Thank you, and you have completed the first video of this series of stock markets.